best paid auto-tune plugins. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best paid plugins that the pros are using. You ready? Let's check them right after the intro. Yo, the name is Gosa once again, and still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit that subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Guys, we are in our first studio now, and I'm going to use this vocals that I recorded. All right, so first thing, let's listen to the vocals without any auto-tune.
You be my one only, so dance to my melodies. I can't feel the vibe only. Baby girl, don't do me like this, so but it don't be.
Okay, so that's simple, guys. The very first thing I'm gonna do is to route these vocals to the mixer track. You're gonna double click on that, route it to mixer track 2. Okay, pretty simple. Then guys, the next thing I'm gonna do is to double click on the beat, route that one to mixer track 1. Let's open to the mixer track, and guys, what I'm gonna do is to create a reverb track. So I'm gonna right click on the insert 9. Then guys, I'm gonna give it a color. Let's choose this color, hit accept, and over here I'm gonna call it reverb. Hit accept. Super simple. And we're gonna drag this to the right click and go to drag to right. Okay, so that anytime we close this, we're gonna see this effect track. Next, let's route our vocals to the reverb track. Okay, so we're gonna click on the vocals track, then route it over here. Super simple like that. And we're gonna introduce the reverb. I'm gonna use the Valhalla vintage verb. All right, simple like that. If you don't know how to use reverb, watch the video that will pop up on the screen. Cut off some of the low ends, then also reduce the mix. Set the pre-delay to about 2 milliseconds. Guys, super simple. Now let's listen to the reverb on our vocals, and we're going to control the amount.
Baby, why you do me this? Me, I no go love you play. You be my one only.
So I'm gonna bypass the beat so that you can hear the reverb well.
Baby, why you do me this? Me, I no go love you play. You be my one only. So dance to my melody.
So you can hear the reverb is much. We're gonna control that. Let's control the amount of reverb by playing with this knob here. Reduce it a little bit, and now it's simple. Listen.
Baby, why you do me this? Me, I no go love you play. You be my one only. So dance to my melodies. I can't feel the vibe only. Baby girl, don't do me like this.
That's pretty simple. So next thing we're gonna do is to introduce the very first paid auto-tune. All right, so it's time to look at the best paid auto-tunes in the market now, the auto-tune that the pros are using. So the very first best paid auto-tune on the list is Autotune Access. Autotune Access is simple to dial in, comes with the routine speed knob and the humanize knob only. All right, and also you can browse through the scale and set your key over here. Okay, the routine speed is simple to dial in. All you need to do is to crank it from slow to medium and to fast. And also the humanized knob is simple to use, from off to minimum, then to maximum. I'm gonna set my key, which is A sharp. Super simple, guys. Now let's listen to Autotune Access on the vocals.
Baby, why you do me this? Me, I no go love you play. You be my one only. So dance to my melodies. I can't feel the vibe only.
All you need to do is to control the routine speed for the artist, and also give it a little bit humanized. If you don't know how to use auto-tunes, I have a full video there. I will take you through step by step, so go and watch them. Listen to this once again.
Baby, why you do me this? Me, I no go love you play. You be my one only. So dance to my melodies. I can't feel the vibe only. Baby girl, don't do me like this.
So in my opinion, if you're a beginner, Autotune Access will be one of the best paid plugins. If you are on a budget, all you need to do is to click on the link in the description box, visit the official website of Antares and get yours. It comes with the routine speed and the humanized knobs only. You can't actually do crazy stuff using Autotune Access. I mean, you can't create unique vocals, but to create unique vocals using a simple Autotune plugin, then keep on watching this video. By the end, you're gonna know the best auto-tune, or I mean the best paid auto-tune plugin to go for. Now moving on to the next best paid auto-tune plugin on the list. Next on the list is Autotune Artist, which is one of my favorite auto-tune plugin. Alright, Autotune Artist is simple to use. It also comes with the routine speed, the humanized knob, and 2 additional knobs here, the flex tune and the natural vibrator. If you don't know how to use auto-tunes, make sure you watch my previous videos and I will take you through step by step, guys. So the key for this particular track is A sharp minor. Said that the routine speed, you can actually dial in any amount that you want as compared to Autotune Access. Okay, so this one you can push it from 0 all the way down to 400. Super simple to use. I love the interface. So if you want to take your mixing to the next level and you are looking for one of the best paid auto-tune plugins, you can also get this one from Antares. Antares are doing great. They have not sponsored this video. I found these plugins to be one of the best paid auto-tunes plugins in the market, so you can actually go for it. Let's push the routine speed to about 8 and also reduce the natural vibrator. I don't want natural vibrator on these vocals. Give it a little bit humanized. Now let's listen to Autotune Artist on our vocals.
Baby, why you do me this? Me, I no go love you play. You be my one only. So dance to my melodies. I can't feel the vibe only. Baby, girl, don't do me like this. Oh, but it not be firewood. I swear, say you be my one.
It's super simple. If you want to create unique vocals, all you need to do is to play with the transpose knob here.
Baby, why you do me this? Me, I no go love you play. You be my one only. So dance to my melodies. I can't feel the vibe only. Baby girl, don't do me like this.
So,
but it don't be firewood. Baby, why you do me this? Me, I no go love you play. You be my one only. So dance to my melody. I can't feel the vibe only. Baby girl.
That's pretty simple. Let's move on to the next best paid auto-tune plugin on the list. The next auto-tune plugin on the list is Autotune Pro. So if you are looking for the best paid auto-tune plugins, you can also go for Autotune Pro. Super simple to use. It comes with the routine speed, the humanized knob, and the natural vibrator together with the flex tune. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna set my key once again, then let me adjust the size a little bit. You can switch from auto mode and graphic mode. Alright, that's super simple. If you want to know much about the graphic mode, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification, and I will come back and take you through. Now listen to Autotune Pro on the vocals.
baby, why you do me this? Me, I no go love you play. You be my one only. So dance to my melodies. I can't feel the vibe only. Baby girl, don't do me like this. Oh, but it not be firewood.
Autotune Pro is simple to use. All you need to do is to click here and load some presets from top music producers. As you can see, Antares, Benz, Boloki, then also Nick Mark. These are all presets from these top music producers. Alright, and instantly you're gonna create unique vocals whilst clicking on this. Listen.
Baby, why you do me this? Me, I no go love you play. You be my one only. So dance to my melodies. I can't feel the vibe only.
I have a full video taking you through how to create unique vocals using Autotune Pro. So watch the video that will pop up on the screen. Now moving on to the next best paid Autotune plugin on the list. The next best paid Autotune plugin is Autotune EFS Plus. Guys, with Autotune EFS Plus, you can actually create unique vocals with just a click. Okay, change the key, and over here you can insert effects. Think of the tube, the vocado, reverb. All you need to do is to click here, insert any of this. If you don't like, all you need to do is to click here and delete it. Alright, and even with Autotune EFS Plus, if you don't know the input type, all you need to do is to click on learn, play the vocals, and this is gonna detect the input type for you. It also comes with the routine speed and the humanized knob. Alright, I have a full video taking you through how to use Autotune EFS Plus to create unique vocals. Listen to Autotune EFS Plus on our vocals now.
Baby, why you do me this? Me, I no go love you play. You be my one only. So dance to my melodies. I can't feel the vibe only. Baby, girl, don't do me like this.
Okay, so that's it for today. If you found this video to be helpful, give it a like. Let me know the one that you are going for. Until then, see you in the next video. Stay blessed.